welcome to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. Today's lesson is really part 2 of a fun scale lesson exercise. Okay? If you haven't taken the first lesson, you might want to check it out. I'll teach you there how to play the pattern that I'm going to play right now. But I'm adding now some technique. I'm adding techniques such as vibrato, hammer-ons, pull-offs, slides, and bends to that exercise. So now you not only know a pattern to play the scale, but now you can even add some nice nuances to it, such as these techniques. So let's go check it out. Break it down. Okay, so first thing we do is we're going to slide. Well, we all know the scale, so I'm not going to go through that. There's a lesson for that. But so basically we slide on the 5th. Okay, so that's the first technique you see. And these are hammer-ons right there. We pick E8. We pick A5, and then we hammer on. We hammer on with the middle and ring finger. Okay, and then on the D5 we do a vibrato. So. Okay, so the next part is to slide on the D7. D7, G5, G7, and G8. And the G7 to G8 we slide. Okay, the next part we go to B5 and then B8 and vibrato. Play the whole thing. So for on the way back, we're actually not going to use the high E string with the root note here, but we're going to bend to the root note on B8. But we go. So instead of E, we're bending the B8. Then we pick B8, B5, then we bend G7, and then we'll pick obviously the G7, G5, and a vibrato. Okay? That almost sounds like a lick, right? Well, scales. All these licks are hidden in those scales. And a nice vibrato. And then slide to the D7, D5, A7. Okay, and then we go A5, and then we hammer on the blues note. Okay, so that is all there is to it. So you can practice that, play it like that, but feel free to add any type of technique or leave some out and put them in different places. It all works, right? Make it your own. But this is just a guide for you to practice. Hey, who would have ever known that scale practicing is actually fun? All you need is a backing track, a monochord backing track if possible, and then just play through the scales and find your own licks in those scales. That is a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks for watching, and I see you soon. Take care.